cooling off in the Karuah River in New South Wales. Got the old Seagull behind me, and it's an 18 foot havilland all alloy half cabin. And this is the Karuah River. Nice little river. And this is the Allworth section. So the Seagull. And just about to put it in and go for a little run down the river.
It goes like this.
Okay, well, we're walking along the rocky section of the Branch River, and you can see just over there's a rock sticking out. Now, I hit something like that, but it must have been just a few inches below the water. Here's a nice shady spot. Much show anchor in here, I think. Always wondered if I fell over, would I better get up again? Now I've got this rope ladder here. As easy as it looks. Well, there we go. So if you fall over, I tell you what, you could have a ladder or something like that hanging off the edge. It feels like I'm almost on land. It's so incredibly still here on the water. Okay, it's day 2 and struck a bit of rain here on the Branch River. So luckily I brought along this big tarp which I've put over the whole boat. Covers it pretty much from bow to stern. You can see out there she's raining alright, and got a bit wet in the process. I'm just drying the shirt out. Rain seems to have gone away for a while. It's fairly cloudy, but the sun coming through there. Throw it in reverse here.
Traveler are getting there all the while.
Tide seems to have gone out.
Hello, stranger. How long has this road been here? I don't know it every morning when I get up. So I've been getting there all the while. I've been getting there all the while. Hello, stranger. I first down the Forks Road. I don't know, sir. I keep my forks in the shelf. Something to get in there, roll a while. Something to get in there, roll a while. Hello, stranger. Was this river fordable? Yes, sir. My ducks forded this morning. Something to get in there, roll a while. Something to get in there, roll a while.
Karuah, heading upstream, and I find it good to have a metal pole around this sort of country because not only sort of get an idea of the depth, how deep we are, but you can hear it's all rock down there. And I've been checking it all the way along. It's pretty much rock everywhere up from Karuah. I think a lot of boats have come up here. The shallow waters and also the submerged rock issues. But certainly a beautiful place to come. It's been worth it. Worked a few bashes and scrapes on the old outboard. Oop, there's another one.
I never turned out, though, so I rooted them out. Something to get in there, old wall. Something to get in there, old wall. Hello, stranger. What do you take, tea or coffee? Take tea, so I'll get the grubbing home and go dig some sassafras. Something to get in there, old wall. Something to get in there, old wall.
Look at this morning, this incredible mist all over the river.
Stranger, is squirrels much thick in this country? Yes, sir, they're thick as your wrist. Something to get in there, old wall. Something to get in there, old wall.
Here's the boat at the moment. She's high and dry. As usual, the cicadas are pretty much ever present here at the moment. Just have a bit of a look around here. Certainly a nice spot. Sun's going down on the last day. There's the old seagull, fully loaded. And it's been a great 4 days. I don't know if you heard that, but there's koalas out there, and they're making that snorting sound they make. It sounds a bit like a crazy pig snorting and carrying on. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little home movie of my 4-day fishing and camping trip. Just heading back to work now. Looking forward to a shower and a shave. So. Hope you enjoy it.
Hello, I'm Phil Riley, and welcome to my journey called Man from Karuah River. Not to be confused with Man from Snowy River or Man from Cox's River. Totally different projects. I do not want to muddy the waters here. Cross-promotion may occur. It is totally out of my hands at this stage. I will be taking you on a journey of exploration, not only of the mighty Karuah River, but of a man's journey to explore his subconscious. You see in my book, the 9 parts of the brain. One of those parts is a little like a river. It flows here, it flows there. It rises and falls with the tides. But what does it all mean? Nobody knows. Is it just a place for the little fishes to swim and have fun in the sun? Who knows? I don't. You don't. Maybe on this journey we may solve some of those little issues and problems that beset us all. What are we doing here? And why do I do this?
Big Stone Gap.
Hopefully in the next few days I'll be sharing footage and some adventures with you that may change your life. Thank you for watching. Sit back.
Big Stone Gap, getting mighty cold, honey.
Good strong cup of Joe.
Big Stone Gap, getting mighty cold, baby. Big Stone Gap's getting mighty cold. Can't make $1 for the save my soul, honey. Well, I got on a dummy and